What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see, man. I know it's been a long time coming. I'm sorry, but hey, here, look, I'm back. You know what I'm saying? So, welcome back, man, for all my returning people and all my new people that are watching right now. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. Today, I'm going to give y'all a slight little highway POV. You know what I'm saying? On my Instagram, man. I know a lot of y'all don't follow my car page at 392 car, but at 392 car, but man, you know, I posted a little poll asking like what people wanted to see next. It was out of highway POV and launching my scat, and everybody said they wanted to see a highway POV. Like, it was a big difference on what vote they wanted. So that's what I'm giving y'all, man. If y'all want to be able to be, you know what I'm saying, basically, I guess, like, in tune what's going on and be able to predict what video will be next, y'all follow me on my car page at 392 Kari on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, yeah, we into it. Y'all boy, nice little highway POV. Nice little highway POV, man. I ain't did one of these, and I don't know how long. This highway small, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna make the best of it. Like, that wind go crazy. I just got the back window down. I would roll down the front, but y'all ain't gonna really hear nothing. I might just roll the windows up. I ain't gonna hold it. Y'all let me know which one better. You can still hear the car, but you know, it's just, I think it's better having the window down when you're not on the highway, because the wind is insane. And it's windy today, so I think the AC ain't blowing on the mic. It feel like it is. It's blowing right toward the mic. We give y'all boys a little roll. Hold on, slow down. What y'all boys want, a little 60? Yeah, y'all boys a little 60. I don't even do 60 roll. Hold on. Sticker! I wasn't even flooring. I just want to give y'all boys a little stretch. That's all. I wasn't, you know what I'm saying, ain't like I'm competing with nobody, you feel me? But I just want to give y'all boys a little stretch. Give me another one. Ooh. Down should still sound good from the inside. Give me another one. Do my car sound loud from the inside, y'all boys? It don't sound that loud to me, I ain't gonna lie. It don't sound that loud, cuz. But yeah, car crew, man, I know it's been a minute since I posted, bro. I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get back right, cuz I gotta post something at least once a week, bro. Twice a week, really. You know what I'm saying, if I'm being completely honest, 2 to 3 times a week. But being realistic, you know what I'm saying, with working, I say at least once a week, bro. We'll try to go 2, you know what I'm saying? But it been a little, motion been a little dry lately as far as, like, you know what I'm saying, car content and, you know what I'm saying, events going on. I go to the track and stuff, but y'all, I already realized y'all don't like those kind of videos for real, because they don't never do good at all. So, unless y'all tell me otherwise, y'all start tuning in, but y'all don't ever tune in to them, so I just start recording when I go to the track. Cause I go to the track plenty of times, I just don't record it, because it's just like, y'all boys don't really rock with it for real. So, see, now that we off the highway, we can have the window down now. So y'all boys can hear Olivia's scream, That's a little something. Ryan with the windows down, no music on, and the AC on at the same time. Sound like a perfect date on it. Look at that. Today's Sunday too, man. Hope some of y'all went to church today, or you know what I'm saying, watch the church live somewhere at the house, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just got your word in. You know what I'm saying? I got my word in today, man. Good word today. You know what I'm saying? Pastor talked about the book of Ruth. If y'all don't know nothing about that, that's a pretty good book, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? He doing a whole series with that. He doing a whole series about that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, boy, you know what I'm saying? Get your word in, man. Get your word in. But, yeah, car crew, man. Also, y'all comment down below, since, you know, a lot of y'all don't follow my Instagram at 392 car, you know what I'm saying, my car page, where you can let me know what kind of videos you want to see, or give me video ideas, bro, because I do. I was gonna take heed and what y'all boy want. Cause I mean, that's a whole point, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing it for y'all, but also for me, you feel me? I'm trying to entertain y'all and be creative in the best ways I can. You know what I'm saying? Some stuff I probably already thought about it. I'd be like, no, I don't want to see nothing like that. Y'all probably want to see it, but you know what I'm saying? I never know, cause y'all don't never speak. You feel me? Close mouth, don't get fed. But anyway, y'all boy comment down below, man, what videos y'all like to see, where, you know what I'm saying, what type, whether it's like track video, going to the track, like drag strip. I'm talking about like drag racing, not no NASCAR, nothing like that. Like drag racing, legal pits, you know what I'm saying? POV with certain cars, comparison, Mustang, Camaro, Dodge, Scat, Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? I can find somebody for every occasion, you feel me? You just gotta let me know. Y'all boy just gotta let me know. You know what I'm saying? We can make it happen. We can make it happen like Michael Jackson, you know what I am? Down should go crazy. Come on, cuz, you gonna go? Look at what's that. Oh, Olivia sounds so good, cuz. Why did? Damn, sticker. Something slight, cuz. Something slight. Something slight, you know what I am? Down should be so crispy. It sounds so lovely. She just be screaming. Let's talk about the tree right there. Woo-hoo. Come on, man. I'll wake the birds up out the nest with this car, man. They'll come flying out of nowhere. All kind of birds. Eagle, beagle, seagull. Yeah, man. My bad if I was holding the camera a little funny, my fault. I'm a little rusty, man. I gotta get it right. Give me one more. Yeah, man, you know, start off a little highway POV. Something short, you know what I'm saying? I got somewhere to be. That's why I really ain't do how I want to do. And the highway ain't that big, so it wasn't gonna be a long video anyway. I was just gonna be looping around. Shawty driving with beat headphones on her ear, on both ears. But you ain't trying to hear nothing. That's dangerous, boy. I don't understand why women do that. Y'all be driving with both of y'all ear plugged with headphones. Like, what's up with y'all, bro? Like, then get mad when you hit something, you can't, somebody trying to get your attention because you finna do something crazy. You ain't looking. Like, why are you driving with beat? Why you riding around like you in the studio, like you finna spit some bars? Trim. Straight up trim. Yeah, man. Crazy. But just want to give y'all boys a slight little, you know what I'm saying, POV, man. Slight little POV in Olivia, you know what I'm saying? Get a little highway pulls, little street pulls. Finna get back with it, get back consistent. Y'all boys just let me know, man, what y'all boys want to see, man. For real though, like, it ain't nothing to it, bro. Just let me know what you want to see, bro. You want to see me versus an airplane? Comment you want to see me versus an airplane. I'll find the closest thing to an airplane I can find. You know what I'm saying? Simple. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button though, for real, man. Hit that like button, man. Run it up, man. We halfway there to 17K, over halfway there. Y'all boy, give me the 17K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? So we can get the 20K the quick way, the 25K the quick way, you feel me? But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Once again, man, comment down below anything you would like to comment as far as, like, you know what I'm saying, video ideas, you know what I'm saying? You just showing love from where you're from. If you're from New Jersey, New York, Maine, Maryland, all that, Baltimore, New Orleans, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Florida, Texas, California, you know what I'm saying? Let your boy know, man, what we rocking out at, you know what I'm saying? So I can get my lingo up. But anyway, man, yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe if you're new, man. Comment, all that good stuff. All my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Keep him first in everything that you do, man, and try your best to acknowledge him, bro, and everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? I know it ain't easy, but you know what I'm saying? It can be done. And just showing it. You got to show it. You feel me? Keep trying. You're going to mess up, but don't stay in a messed up place, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Don't stay down where you can always get up. But nevertheless, man, also, man, make sure y'all boys keep chasing your dream. I got stuff for me. Chase your dream, man. Chase your goals. Don't let nobody tell you no. You know what I'm saying? Put your foot down and get to it, man. Just keep going, keep striving. It may not work the first time, second time, third time, but if you got that idea and you got a plan, it can definitely happen. You know what I'm saying? It definitely can. Just have that faith and manifest and trust in the Lord, man. You know what I'm saying? It'll come true. With work, you know what I'm saying? With the work, you gotta put in the work too. But also, man, like I said, at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.